Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce portfolio volatility with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current investment portfolio. Identify the assets that contribute to higher volatility. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes. Explore Vanguard's low-cost index funds as a diversification option. Check the historical performance of these index funds. Allocate a portion of your portfolio to these funds based on your risk tolerance. Review your investment goals to ensure alignment with your portfolio. Determine the appropriate asset allocation strategy. Use Vanguard's online tools to create a tailored asset allocation plan. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your target allocation. Monitor economic indicators that may impact market volatility. Stay informed about changes in interest rates and inflation trends. Adjust your investments accordingly to mitigate risks. Explore bond funds offered by Vanguard for added stability. Consider incorporating international equity funds for additional diversification. Utilize tax-efficient funds to maximize your returns after taxes. Evaluate risk factors specific to your investment horizon. Consult with a Vanguard advisor if needed for personalized guidance. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and investment strategies. Be patient and maintain a long-term perspective on your investments. Stick to your plan, even during market fluctuations. Ultimately, consistently review and adjust your strategy to suit changing market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.